it's a pretty simple process to put these things on. It's not intrusive, like changing out an air conditioner system in somebody's home sometimes can be. This typically takes place outside or in a garage.
That sounds great. I'm going to put the information on the screen there to contact Anthem if you have interest in this and say, hey, you know what? I do have skin irritation. I don't like the taste or the smell of my water, and I do have that buildup on my system, my shower around the faucets. Give them a call, 760-895-2621, 760-895-2621. They have a complete division for that, their plumbing division. They take care of that, I assume? Yes?
Yes, we do. We have professional plumbers out there. So our air conditioning guys are professionals in their trade, and our plumbers are professional in their trade. So
fantastic. Well, Mike, I really appreciate you taking the time today and give us a real insight